Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Deluxe Cardinal Venomas. Don't know why I can't call me so fast, but yeah, anyway. Here are the cards. You have Tanor or Tortuga. It has a LUT and a LUT, so it has two LUTs. This one is your gold card. Then we have these two. So we have Kinshay. This one is going to have a LUT and a rotate. And then we have Tandos, which is going to have a move and a LUT. So we have our gold, silver, and bronze cards. This one actually kind of looks pretty cool. It's supposed to be like a Chinese zombie, like a vampire. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like a cross between a vampire and a zombie. Where instead of move, they kind of like hop around like little bunnies, and they have like this little piece of paper on their head. It's weird, but I guess it's okay-ish. I think the Jackie Chan Adventures, that anime did it, and I want to say something like Shaolin Warriors or Shaolin Shadow Warriors. It was the same show, but one season they called them Shadow, and the next one they called them other type of warriors. It was the same as that thing. I think it was on both of those shows. I'm pretty sure it was more likely on the Jackie Chan Adventures. Yeah. But yeah, these are our free mech cards that we get in here. Taylor or Fitter. Or Fitter is supposed to be a snake, kind of like a cobra. And I guess it kind of works. I mean, the head, we got definitely the snake fangs. The hood of the card, I think it's kind of a genius idea. That they took, the bumper of the car right here, and he kind of made the hood of it. So it's like a king cobra, perhaps a little bit of copperhead, but more king cobra, which is kind of cool. Then instead of just having a head right here, they decided to say, hey, look, front end bumper of the car, now it becomes a little snake hood. Very cool and clever. It's a little weird back here that we see kind of like these teeth kind of things looking like, nom 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 that's going to eat you with the teeth. That's a little weird. The tail I can understand, but the teeth, it's just a little weird. So let's reveal our faction here, and we have the Bud faction. So that's who it belongs to. Let's get out our little collector poster here. So we have Evan Phoenix Vemon, which is right here. And of course, these are random. So you could buy like 3 of these and get like maybe 2 reds, 1 blue, and 1 black for the faction. So they're saying, doesn't matter what card you buy, the faction card could be anything. So it's a random faction between red, blue, or black. But you could have like 50 of the same card and get like 45 red, 5 blue, and 2 black. Anyway, there's Crocky. There's Samuel. There's a Wingtort, Mugon, Kashi. Oh, they do have Kashi here. I thought I was going to have to buy the original one before Mattel, the Sonocon, to get this one. But I guess they do have it here. Dorky, Tanos, Yuri, Marine, Momoru, MECARD Octo, Torturu or Tortura, Teru, Archer, Prince Khan, Grayon, Crane, Mantini, Strongcorn, MECARD King Jaws, Mammoth, and then MECARD Fusion. Yeah, some of these, they put MECARDs in there. They can't just put a name. They have to put a MECARD in. Which is kind of weird that all these ones are deluxe fitters, which is like a standard size, while these ones over here are jumbo fitters, which should be deluxe ones. And you have MECARD Neo and then MECARD EX. Yeah. On the other side of the poster, it kind of tells you about them, like attack points are there and there. The MECARD abilities here. Matchability, the ability there. And then a type, so what do you mean by matchability? Like, see how this one's Evan? So if you have Evan and the card's Evan, you could use that ability along with this ability. You get what I'm saying? But if you have like this green card, which is obviously not Evan, then you can only use the look ability on this card. And then the type, gold, silver, or bronze. They said that there's even a purple. The color bar determines what type of card it is. Gold, silver, bronze, purple. We don't have any purple. I know you might be like, dude, those are purple. This is not what they're counting. They're counting the bottom right here by the name and the number. Like, see how that one's obviously silver, that one's bronze, this one's gold. That's what they're talking about if you find a purple one, which I guess is supposed to be super rare. Never actually seen a purple one. How you set it up was 2 players, 3 cards each, 3 cards each. Your roll line match the fashion to the color to determine the points. That type of stuff. So let's kind of place the cards down. Where is this little transformation paper at? I do not see it. Oh, here it is. It's in there. So let's get its little instructions and see how we transform it. So they say hood and head goes down, then tail goes in, and card body. So this one I think should be pretty simple. So head and hood goes down like that. Flip the tail in like this, big tail, then little tail, and then just, this is like the most easiest one to transform back to a car. The other ones are a lot harder. So then you just roll your car over a card, and they transform like Bakugan. So this one, it's a little bit harder to see, which it should go, because this one has it there instead of here, so it should actually be up like that. But it's red, so it will only get a power of 40. Now let's get our opponent, which notice how the card's backwards here. So the name is down here. If it was my card that went over it. So if this card went over this card, you see its name there. Excuse me. And it'll get its power. But since this card came from that side, that's why the name is back to it, so its power. So blue power 70 versus red power 40. Obviously, Remon lost to Yuri. And then, yeah, that's how you play the game. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get in the Deluxe MECARD Venoma. The post of the free cards and your MECARD and instructions. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.